Shut up. These are nice and heavy too. Wow. I'm going diving with the shark. Whoa. What's up, guys? It's Alexis and Melissa, and you're tuned into the AM show. AM for L. Okay, so we took a day trip to Springfield. Is that right? I think we're headed to Springfield. We just passed Clinton, Missouri. I don't really know where we are. We are going to this restaurant called Lamberts Cafe. Yes. Right now we are at Osceola Cheese Factory. So stay tuned.
This a whole nother talk on it. Yeah. You should see how I'm walking on it. Yeah. Black beans when I'm bossing on it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm dripping sauce on it. We getting honeys and stacking money. I swear it's lovely and it's for me. We getting honeys and stacking money. I swear it's lovely and it's for me. Money walk, 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 money walk.
We're here at the Osceola Cheese. Oh, thank you. Kettle corn? Got to do a little bit of wine tasting at Osceola. It is a sweet pea. Woo. Can I try the delightful red? Is that what it is?
We'll start out with
okay. Okay. Yum. Okay, we are here at the Bass Pro Shop. The largest. I heard that it is, you said what? The largest? The largest Bass Pro Shop. They have aquariums where you can dive with sharks. We're going diving with the sharks. I feel like I've been here. Hey, get a picture of me with this moose. Whoa, what is that? Is that real? That ain't real. That's funny. Okay. I want one of these boats. Another bill. I knew you were gonna do that. Quick, get your hand out of there. How did I know you were gonna do that? Oh. Shut up. Whoa. Whoa. I am the champion. We need a picture here.
Today on the AM show, we're giving away this $5,000 dirt bike to our 1,000 subscribers.
Subscribe now.
Subscribe now for a chance to win this bike.
Like, we'll see you later. Ma'am, get out of the water.
Stay right there.
Super creepy. So there is a hole. Super cute. There is a whole gift shop in here. Shopping. I'm looking for some decent hats. I think this.
That looks like I'm on top.
Yeah, I need me a new coat. Why are we in here?
I know.
I done got a hat in my hand.
Alright guys, new sheriff in town.
You are so ugly. Put it back. So good.
This is how it is all the time. Always packed in. We have the little sign. Ooh, them rolls look good.
They are. I want a good roll.
I want about 2 or 3 of them more.
Don't judge. I'm going to eat. So thirsty.
I am pretty thirsty too.
I bet they probably got the best food here.
Guess we're going to the gift shop. The party just don't stop on this road trip.
Wait, one more. Wait, you grab it, Melissa. Perfect. Ooh. These are nice nice and heavy too. Whoa.
Have you some? Thank you. I'll be right back.
Look at all of this food.
What are we supposed to do with this home?
Oh my God. So just got done eating at Lamberts and I am so incredibly full. Today I think I had about 3 or 4 rolls and the plates were humongous. Absolutely bomb. Okay, so I'm just waiting on Melissa to get out of the bathroom.
What a random road trip.
Random. Literally, my dad was like, get up, I'm picking you up, and we're going here, 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 and here. We're gonna get some food. So then I called Melissa and I was like, let's go. And here we are.
Stuffed, full, and happy.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And our battery is going dead. Perfect time.
Later.